So FC Beauty sent me some of their makeup products. I'm the gray one up now. Okay, this is what it looks like, and this is how it looks like swatched. Oh my god, this is so pretty. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on my eyelid. Ooh, okay, this is like so pigmented. Love that. So just blending this out. So I did it on the other eye as well, and now I'm gonna use the liner. This is what it looks like. This is how it swatches. Now let's just bring you guys a little close and put on the liner. It's a very, like, you know, fine tip which is easy to work with. Let me just do it. So I did my liner. I'm quite impressed about the pigment of this liner. I'm dragging it a little higher, making it look like a, you know, runway kind of look. So yeah, I'm doing that. So their black pencil, I'm just gonna put it in my waterline. Okay, again, very pigmented. I really like